Meaning of Ford Madox Brown.
Ford Madox Brown.
Ford Madox Brown.
Ford Madox Brown.
Ford Madox Brown. Ford Madox Brown was a prominent British artist associated with the Pre-Raphaelite movement of the mid-19th century. He was known for his paintings that depicted everyday life, historical events, and literary scenes. He also worked as a book illustrator, designer, and teacher. His notable works include The Last of England and Chaucer at the court of Edward III. Brown's contributions to art and his influence on the Pre-Raphaelite movement have earned him a lasting legacy in the history of British art.